How to fix Epic Games download slow or download stuck. 1. Check Epic server status. 2. Use a wired connection. 3. Disconnect other devices. 4. Update your network adapter driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Switch domain name systems, DNS. 6. Edit your engine.ini file at %localApp.a%. Copy and paste the following codes: HttpTimeout equals 10 HttpConnectionTimeout equals 10 HttpReceiveTimeout equals 10 HttpSendTimeout equals 10 Portal.BuildPatch chunk downloads equals 3 ChunkRetries equals 20 RetryTime equals 0.5.